June is Garage Door Safety Month. In light of that, I thought I would do a quick video just to give you an idea how you would do a safety inspection on your garage door. First thing you want to do is a visual inspection. That means checking the cables, making sure all your rollers are in the track, and making sure everything looks like it's in good condition. So you want to make sure that all of your rollers are in the tracks, the cables are in good condition, and everything seems to be in good working order. The next thing to check would be the location of your photo eyes. The photo eyes are the sensors mounted at the bottom of the door, usually attached to the track. You want to make sure that they are no more than 6 inches off the ground. So we're at 4 inches, which is fantastic. The next thing to check is the manual release. To do that, there's usually a red cord that hangs from the garage door opener where the J-arm attaches to the traveler, so basically where your door connects to your opener. To disengage it, you pull, you will hear it disengage. From there, you should be able to lift your door up by hand, no problem. And it should move freely with one hand and stay where you put it. It shouldn't fly up and it shouldn't smash down. To reconnect your opener, you simply press the wall button, cycle your door, and it'll reconnect itself.